So I think when we start this journey, this tune fits perfectly. And actually yesterday, I came yesterday from Barra, so I was on the boat. It was a beautiful, gorgeous day, and you know, you're on the boat and then you see sky in the distance, and I was practicing this tune, so it just felt perfect. Loud the winds howl, loud the waves roar, thunder claps rend the air. Baffled our foes stand by the shore, follow they will not dare. Speed, bonny boat, like a